Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Kawasaki, here she is, look. Now, this really is a bit of a barn find. Look, there it is, look. Wants a little bit of love. Showing 12,000 on the clock. Doesn't run. We haven't had it running. We're not going to have it running. Clearly, there's a few bits missing to start off with. So she is a project bike, but it's a nice little lightweight at the end of it, haven't you? So come along, take a closer look. Thank you.